In the previous video, we have already answered how to choose fluorescence. What is the situation if a customer reports that they have not observed the expected fluorescence phenomenon when using fluorescent peptides? We can analyze and answer this question from multiple perspectives. Firstly, the display of fluorescence effect is influenced by various factors. The type, concentration, pH value, and subsequent detection settings used in dissolving fluorescent peptides may become key factors, affecting fluorescence observation, leading to less than expected fluorescence effects or complete inability to observe fluorescence. Normally, from a practical application perspective, fluorescent dyes bind to peptides through relatively stable chemical bonds and generally do not break. In terms of synthesis and preparation, the process of labeling peptides with fluorescent dyes undergoes strict mass spectrometry detection to ensure the success of the labeling reaction. In addition, fluorescent substances may gradually lose their fluorescence during prolonged storage, a process known as fluorescence quenching. Therefore, long-term stored fluorescent peptides require special attention to the possibility of quenching before use. Considering the above points, it is recommended that customers try adjusting various usage conditions in the experiment, such as changing pH value, concentration, detection time, etc., to find the best fluorescence excitation and detection conditions. Improve the fluorescence observation effect to obtain satisfactory research results. This is the end of this video. Follow Chengyao Biology's video account to bring you more interesting and informative life science knowledge. We look forward to seeing you next time.